Hello everyone, my name is Samantha Weiss. In this presentation, I will explain to you how you can insert an animation into a PowerPoint presentation. The first step is to locate your PowerPoint presentation in your File Explorer. Once you have opened your presentation, you will be ready to begin adding animations. Next, you should click on the slide where you want to add your animation. You will use the tools in PowerPoint to embed your animation into this slide. Once you have selected the slide where you want to add your animation, you can either open an animation file or go to the website that contains your animation. For this presentation, I will be using an animation that is displayed on a website. Once you have your animation open in another window, and you have selected the correct slide to add your animation, click on the Insert tab in PowerPoint. Find the Media section in the Insert tab and click on Screen Recording. When you click on Screen Recording, a toolbar will appear at the top of your screen with options to record, select an area, and use audio. Click on Select Area in the toolbar, and a red square will appear that you can resize to fit the animation's dimensions. Adjust the size of the square so that it contains your animation. At this point, if you are using an animation file, you would adjust the size of the square to contain the animation in the same way you would for an animation on a website. Once you have selected the area of your animation, click on the Record button in the toolbar. PowerPoint will count down from 3 to 1 and then start the recording. After the countdown stops, you will want to start playing your animation so that the screen recording captures it. When your animation has finished playing, you will need to stop the recording. Move your mouse to the top of the screen so that the toolbar reappears and click on the blue Stop button. After you have stopped the recording, PowerPoint will paste it into your slide. You will see the animation appear on the slide that you had initially selected in Step 2. You can move it around the same way you would an image by clicking on it and adjusting its position or size. Once you like the position and size of your animation, you can play your slideshow and enjoy the visuals. I hope you found my presentation helpful and that you can use these instructions to enhance your PowerPoint presentations in the future. Thank you.